Order fill.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, June 21st, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ. H pattern, wide state. H pattern. H pattern, wide state. H pattern. V pattern, wide state. H pattern.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move. This is an impulse move, so I expect a corrective wave come in and then another impulse. So we're going to see, I expect it to go up, pull back, continue on if it holds around the 21 moving average on our 1 minute chart. And here you can see we're coming off the impulse. This is starting to form the corrective wave. So the market went up, it's pulling back, and I expect it to take off here in a bit. We don't know when that's going to happen, but everything is aligning statistically for that to happen. So it might take a little bit longer before it actually takes off on the second impulse move. But statistically, if that price holds on the 21 moving average on our 1 minute chart, this should continue a strong impulse move right back up. Right now we're forming a C continuation type retracement. So I expect the price to come all the way up to the 200, if not come within 10-15 cents short of it. So we're going to expect this to go all the way. As it's approaching the 200 moving average, then we'll probably close into that area because that might come off hard in that controlled area.
Order fill.
And there's a $1.95 move, ladies and gentlemen.